Hey, look at this. This is my live account, and you can see this is running trade. My account balance is $3,000, and the one trade is running in profit. This is NZD USD pair and IQ option broker. So it's going to be a winning trade, okay? And now my account balance is about $4,000. Okay? I'm looking for another entry here. Okay? So I enter here for another position. For sell position here. It's running in profit, so this will also be a winning trade. And our account balance will increase about to $4,500, okay? So it's all about experience. If you want to get mentorship, if you want to get signals, one-on-one session, you can contact me on my Telegram. You can also contact for paid promotions. Okay, you can see this is winning trade. Thank you.